Hello, I'm going to show you really quickly how to add in green screen into your StreamYard live streams. So the first thing we need to do is go to cam/mic, and we need to check that the camera that we're using is the correct camera. So I'm going to choose my ZV-1, then we're going to go to virtual backgrounds. Now if I turn off my virtual background and I don't have a green screen, this is what it looks like normally. If I turn on my background, you'll see that it does also work, but I do get kind of green lines around the outside of me, kind of like how a TikTok background works, or if you're using a background in Teams or Google Meet. But we're going to say that I have a green screen, so we're going to tick that box. If you've got a blue screen instead, you can tick blue instead, but we've got green, and now we can start to use the fader. So I found that 43 worked for me on this camera. On the webcam that I've also got, I found that 50 worked best. So you're just going to have to play around with it and work out which is the best. On the left, if you take it to 0, it's going to take you to the camera, and on the right, it's going to fade all the way up to the background image. So you just have to work out which is the best one for you, and kind of get, so you can see I've got kind of the green screens coming through at the bottom there. So I'm just going to get rid of that. If I go too high, get rid of my hair. There we go, 43 works for me. You'll notice that my fingers don't have the green around them anymore, and it is working pretty well. You can also add in your own virtual backgrounds by clicking on the plus button and just upload a picture. Here I've uploaded my Works YouTube Studio, just as my virtual background here. So that is how you add in a green screen to your StreamYard live streams. I hope you found it useful. Thank you for watching.